Which gas do plants absorb for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide. Who wrote the novel 1984? A. George Orwell. B. Aldous Huxley. C. J.K. Rowling. D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Answer. A. George Orwell. 3. In which country was the first successful powered flight made by the Wright brothers? A. United Kingdom. B. France. C. Germany. D. United States. Answer. D. United States. 4. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? A. Queen Elizabeth I. B. Theresa May. C. Margaret Thatcher. D. Victoria. Answer. C. Margaret Thatcher. 5. What is the chemical symbol of gold? A. Au. B. Ag. C. Pb. D. Fa. Answer. A. Au. 6. Who is the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? A. Amelia Earhart. B. Sally Ride. C. Harriet Quimby. D. Jacqueline Cochran. Answer. A. Amelia Earhart. 7. Which country is the largest producer of oil in the world? A. Saudi Arabia. B. United States. C. Russia. D. Venezuela. Answer. B. United States. 8. Who developed the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Galileo Galilei. Answer. B. Albert Einstein. 9. Which city is known as the City of Lights? A. Paris. B. London. C. New York. D. Tokyo. Answer. A. Paris. 10. Who is the founder of Microsoft? A. Steve Jobs. B. Bill Gates. C. Larry Page. D. Mark Zuckerberg. Answer. B. Bill Gates. 11. Which bird is known as the symbol of peace? A. Sparrow. B. Dove. C. Peacock. D. Swan. Answer. B. Dove. 12. What is the study of earthquakes called? A. Geology. B. Seismology. C. Volcanology. D. Oceanography. Answer. B. Seismology. 13. Which is the fastest land animal in the world? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Leopard. D. Horse. Answer. A. Cheetah. 14. What is the chemical formula of ozone? A. O2. B. O3. C. H2O. D. CO2. Answer. B. O3. 15. Which Indian festival is celebrated to mark the harvest season? A. Holi. B. Diwali. C. Makar Sankranti. D. Eid. Answer. C. Makar Sankranti. 16. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? A. Jaipur. B. Udaipur. C. Jodhpur. D. Bhopal. Answer. B. Udaipur. 17. What is the study of the human mind and behavior called? A. Sociology. B. Psychology. C. Anthropology. D. Archaeology. Answer. B. Psychology. 18. Which chemical is used to disinfect water in swimming pools? A. Chlorine. B. Fluoride. C. Bromine. D. Iodine. Answer. A. Chlorine. 19. Which Indian city is famous for its diamond cutting industry? A. Jaipur. B. Surat. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. Answer. B. Surat. 20. Which element is essential for the production of thyroid hormones? A. Iron. B. Calcium. C. Iodine. D. Zinc. Answer. C. Iodine. 21. What is the main language spoken in the state of Karnataka? A. Tamil. B. Telugu. C. Kannada. D. Malayalam. Answer: C. Kannada. 22. Which Indian state is known for the Pushkar Fair? A. Punjab. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer: B. Rajasthan. 23. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? A. Niagara Falls. B. Angel Falls. C. Victoria Falls. D. Ivassu Falls. Answer: B. Angel Falls. 24. What is the SI unit of force? A. Newton. B. Joule. C. Pascal. D. Watt. Answer: A. Newton. 25. Who discovered the vaccine for smallpox? A. Edward Jenner. B. Alexander Fleming. C. Robert Koch. D. Louis Pasteur. Answer: A. Edward Jenner.